Hey folks, RV Cooking with Luke. We are on our fourth collaboration with Traveland RV. Today I'm making pulled pork sandwiches and Mexican street style corn. Let's go! As you all know, it's all about the kitchen and living space. And in this trailer, you get the best of both worlds. Check it out. Okay, let's get started on the coleslaw. There's secret ingredients here. Apples and jalapenos. For the coleslaw dressing, I'm using Hellmann's olive oil mayo, and obviously we have the citrus from the orange in there as well. I'm also throwing a bit of plain Greek yogurt to turn it up. Okay, moment of truth. How did the pulled pork turn out? I am a sucker for really good barbecue sauce, and Sweet Baby Ray's is prime. I don't even need a fork for this. It's pulling right apart. Eyes, Cajun seasoning. Alright, I'm being very efficient. I bought Swiss pre-cut cheese. There's no cut in the cheese. Also, I'm pretty sure this smoke detector is about to go off any second. Folks, those pulled pork sandwiches are awesome on a hot day like today. Even better at the campsite. See you guys next time. Happy camping.